In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring bills in accounting. If you regularly pay the same vendor for the same services, think subscriptions, rent, or maintenance, setting up a recurring bill will save time and help you avoid missed entries. Start from your Akaunting dashboard. Head to Purchases, then click Bills. This is the main area where your vendor bills live, and it's also where you'll find the tools for automation. Once the Bills page opens, look at the toolbar and switch from the Bills tab to the Recurring Templates tab. This tab is dedicated to reusable templates that Akaunting uses to generate bills for you on a schedule, so you don't have to recreate the same bill every month. Next, click New Recurring Bill. You'll be taken to a bill form that looks very similar to a standard bill with a few extra options for scheduling. Begin by choosing the vendor. Make sure you select the correct one so the generated bills stay organized and report accurately. Then fill in the bill details just like you would for a normal bill. Add your line items with clear descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and any applicable taxes. If you categorize expenses or use accounts for reporting, choose the appropriate account for each line. Take a moment to double-check totals and currency before moving on. Accuracy here will carry forward to every future bill created from this template. Now scroll down to the Schedule section. This is where you tell Akaunting how often to create the bill. Choose the frequency that matches your billing pattern: daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or set a custom interval if your cycle is unique. Pick a start date, which is when the first bill should be created. If your vendor bills on a specific day, align the start date to that day so everything stays consistent. You can also set an end date if you know when the billing should stop. If you leave it blank, the system will continue generating bills until you change or deactivate the template later. For custom schedules, be sure the interval and day selection reflect your real-world billing agreement. When everything looks good, click Save. Akaunting will now automatically generate bills based on the schedule you set, and they'll appear in your bills list on the creation date. That's all there is to it. By using recurring templates, you'll reduce repetitive data entry, maintain consistency across bills, and keep your payables running smoothly. Before you move on, give your template one last review for vendor, line items, and dates. That quick check ensures every future bill is created exactly the way you want.